Yasu! This is Eirene, writer, artist, teacher, and expressive arts facilitator. I'm sure you've had dreams of traveling to Greece, one of the top bucket list destinations in the world. However, I'm inviting you to take a different kind of journey. Not just one on the outside, but one on the inside as well. Allow me to be your guide in this journey where you will explore not only the ancient landscapes of surpassing beauty, but discover the landscape of your inner soul. I host art and nature retreats on my native islands of the Cyclades. You know them, those white and blue houses, cerulean skies, and pristine beaches with awe-inspiring sunsets. My retreats are located on the island of Ios, between Naxos and Santorini. It is one of the party islands of the Aegean, but I live in the back of the island in a small serene village called Ayathidoti. This is my ancestral home. Serene, secluded, facing east with a semi-private beach, this is the place to come to recharge, rejuvenate, find balance, healing, and creativity. I call it my soul sanctuary. Here's what a typical day might look like. Wake up at sunrise to salute the sun. Engage in movement and gentle stretch to awaken the body and mind. Go on a nature walk through the footpaths. Notice the rhythm of the sea, paying attention to the natural landscape and connect it to the internal one. Increase mindfulness. Forage for natural materials and learn about herbs and natural remedies. Take notice of the experiences through journaling and meditation. Create a poem. Respond both visually and verbally to an ancient text. Enjoy an organically, locally sourced Greek breakfast. This might include fresh figs and other fruits, rusks, jam, Greek yogurt and cheeses, freshly squeezed pomegranate juice, and coffee and tea. Take your tea or coffee in the sun on the open spaces of the traditional stone cottage. After breakfast, gather in the Atelier or art workshop for the central creative activity of the day. One day it might be making soap from goat milk or learning how to make feta cheese. Another day it might be creating cyanotypes or solar prints of the foraged material we picked up on our nature walk. We can learn how to make natural cosmetics from the herbs and essential oils of the place. Another day might be learning to paint with fire, using encaustic, an ancient technique that uses melted beeswax and pigments. Other days we can engage in embodied enactments centered on goddess archetypes. Sometimes we dress up as ancient gods and goddesses and then take pictures just for fun. Or we could just go on more photography tours to capture the best shots to remember the journey. Every day, I provide concentrated lectures on the art, literature, philosophy, and history of Greece, connecting the ancient myths to modern life. By this time, it's time for lunch. As the most substantial meal of the day, lunch is locally sourced and organic whenever possible. The Mediterranean diet is heavy on vegetables and fish prepared in rich omega olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs. Dishes like stuffed vegetables, lots and lots of salads, fresh fish, greens, shrimps and tomato sauce, and feta line the table, taken al aire libre. After lunch, it's do your own thing unstructured time, perfect for engaging in hydrotherapy, swimming, heliotherapy, sunbathing, and hypnotherapy, sleeping. Evenings are left for you to explore the island at your own leisure, or hop over to neighboring islands like Santorini, Naxos, or Paros. And Ios, although small, has lots to do. There's so many clubs, coffee shops, fine dining establishments, archaeological sites, an ancient theater, museums, and traditional churches. And don't forget the beaches. The beaches. The beaches. Ios is known for its impeccable shores. For this journey of a lifetime, you need an informed guide and mentor. That's where I come in. I am a professor of English myth and world literature. I have over 25 years of teaching across 3 continents and 5 countries. I am an exhibiting photographer and encaustic painter, and I have been writing about Greece for decades. And don't forget, I am from Eos. I bring you an insider's perspective into the folklore and the customs of the place. When you register for one of my retreats, you will be welcomed into my home, into my family, into my very roots. And as someone who has been trained in the expressive arts tradition of Carl and Natalie Rogers, I bring trauma-informed, embodied, intermodal experiences meant to connect body, mind, and spirit with more than one art form. This is what Greece has done for me more than once in my life. It has brought me healing and centeredness. It is a place supercharged with the energy that helps the soul heal. This is the year to manifest your true self, to heal, to connect, create, and rejuvenate with art and nature retreats in the Cyclades with your guide, Eirene.